Want to create anime-style flowing lava like this in Blender? And the best part? It's 100% procedural. No image textures, no simulations. And you can control everything with just a few nodes. By the end of this video, you'll have a lava shader that's perfect for animations and stylized environments. So don't skip, because every node has a purpose.
Hey everyone, welcome back! Today, we're breaking down this lava shader step by step. This isn't a cinematic scene. It's a simplified setup, so you can clearly understand how the shader works. I kept the environment lightweight to save my PC from catching fire before the lava does. Feel free to use detailed rocks and mountains in your own project. All right, let's jump into Blender. I started by placing a few simple rocks and mountains. Nothing too fancy. The goal here is to focus on the shader, not the modeling. Then, I separated a few faces where I wanted the lava to flow and added a plane underneath. Now comes the fun part. Let's build the shader from scratch. First, I removed the principled BSDF. We're replacing it with an emission shader because, well, lava should actually glow. Then I added a transparent BSDF and mixed both shaders using a mix shader. This lets us control which parts glow and which parts stay transparent. Next, I added a color ramp and picked some warm lava colors. Add a Voronoi texture. Change it to smooth F1 and tweak the settings until you get larger molten areas. Then duplicate that Voronoi node. This time, switch it back to regular F1. Now here's the trick. Subtract one Voronoi from the other using a math node set to subtract. Connect the result to the color ramp, and boom, fire! We instantly get those cracked lava patterns. Simple trick, big difference. Let's make it flow. Add a mapping node and connect it to the texture coordinates. For movement, I added a driver to the Z location. Now the lava flows automatically without adding endless keyframes. Real lava wobbles and changes direction. So let's fake that. Add separate XYZ and combine XYZ nodes between the texture coordinate and mapping nodes. We're only interested in the Z direction. Add a math node set to add. Then plug in a wave texture with its own mapping and texture coordinate nodes. Adjust the scale, distortion, and detail until the movement feels natural. And there it is. The lava starts flowing with a nice organic wobble instead of sliding like melted plastic. To finish the shader, add an invert node between the color ramp and the mix shader. Play around with the colors until you're happy with the overall look. There's no perfect value here. If it looks good, it is good. Now, let's make it look cinematic. Add a camera, set up a light, move things around, move them again. Realize the first angle was actually better. Go back. Classic Blender experience. I added a few keyframes for the camera movement. Then switch the interpolation to linear for smooth motion. To make the camera animation even cleaner, I parented it to an empty object. Now rotating and animating becomes much easier. Tiny trick, huge quality of life improvement. Before rendering, I switched color management from Filmic to ACES. Render a single frame first. Trust me, it's much better to spend 10 seconds checking colors than 10 minutes rendering something you don't like. Finally, head into the Compositing workspace. Add a color balance node and fine-tune the colors until the lava really pops. Once everything looks good, render the animation.
Sit back and enjoy watching your PC cook. Just kidding. And that's how I created this procedural anime-style lava shader in Blender. The best part is that everything stays procedural, so you can tweak the colors, speed, cracks, and flow anytime without starting over. If you learned something new, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you recreate this shader, I'd love to see your results. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!